Everything looks original. Oh my gosh, that's still running.
I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I can't really see it
Yeah.
well.
So you can see it's still streaming down. Don't know why. It just wants to keep going and going and going. Go ahead and put the plug in. I don't think it's ever going to stop running out of there. It's pretty close though. Okay.
Okay, there's the filter set on there to drain out what might be in there.
It just pops out. Just like that. And the new one. Pops in just like that.